Hey guys, in this video we will learn what is the difference between null and undefined. So basically null is a value that we want to assign a variable like an empty value, but the undefined is a default value that is assigned to a variable if we don't define any value. So let's see if we just declare a variable, let's say a, and console it. So what do you expect, a null or empty value? So let's run it. So as you can see that it's a undefined. So if we don't define and initialize a value to a variable, it's by default undefined. But about like say null, we will assign a value to a variable. So if we console log to p, it will show you the null value. Also you can see if we compare with comparison operator is equal to both null and undefined, so it should return false. As you can see that both are not equal. So that's the whole concept of null and undefined. Hopefully you like the video. Please like and share, subscribe the channel. Thanks.